Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be an edge detection test for the iRobot Roomba. So we'll be actually putting it onto different surface and then see if it actually detects the edges properly or not. So let's go ahead, start with the first one. There will be two tests, so let's start with the first one. So this is going to be the first test. So I'm putting it on the box it came in. So let's switch it on and then see if it actually falls off or it actually tries to clean this small surface. Let me just get the camera angle right. Switch it on. Clean. Oh, that's pretty impressive. So the edge detection actually works pretty good on solid surface. So this is pretty, this is not transparent or translucent, so it can actually see the surface properly. What if we put it onto that glass table? So will it work over there? So let's try that. Okay, so this is going to be the extreme test. So this is glass, so the sensor may not be able to detect the glass and it might fall off. So let's see if it works. That's actually pretty impressive. So the edge detection, the sensors actually work pretty good. So even if it's on glass, it'll work fine. So you don't have to worry about this falling off from the stairs. So I'm in Kerala right now. There are a lot of houses with which are double story. Actually, most of them are double story. So people who want to keep this on top, they don't have to be afraid that this will fall off. It will detect the edge and then go back. Now there can't be anything more extreme than a glass table itself. So it can detect that, then it can detect anything else. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.